Good morning. My name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today, we will look at Tishiron's colorful retro floral cat. I worked on this cat December 2023 and January 2024. This was a good pattern to work on during the Christmas and New Year's season. The pattern. The fun, colorful retro floral cat shows a cat body full of wildflowers sitting in a dark garden enclosed in a colorful frame. This fun, confetti-filled project took me about 23 hours. I'm glad I have a good LED light pad. It made working on the dark background a lot easier. The 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 45 centimeter round full pattern has 25 colors with the DMC colors listed on the canvas. I bought this pattern from Amazon August 24th, 2023, and it was delivered 3 days later on August the 27th. The kit I bought from Tishiron was $6.99 on Amazon and is currently unavailable. But I'll include a link for a similar pattern for the same price that's currently available on Amazon from Neilden. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I loved the colors and the confetti on this floral cat. I'm a little disappointed that the cat is blurred and pixelated a bit. The picture on Amazon, and especially the image of the pattern itself, looked a lot more detailed. Even though the kit that I bought from Tishiron is the same size as the one from Neilden, I think the one that I did is more pixelated than the one from Neilden. I liked the one I did from Tishiron and had fun working on it. But the customer review videos on the Neilden listing show a much more detailed and defined cat. The Neilden pattern is more clearly a cat with eyes, flowers, and a more defined frame border. With the way that the pictures and videos on Amazon are set up, there's no way to know this when buying the diamond paintings. That's why it's so important to look hard at the ads and any YouTube review videos that you can find. Now, what do you think? Does one pattern look more detailed and the other look more pixelated? If you saw both listings on Amazon, would you have enough information to pick one over the other? Has anyone done the one from Neilden? And if you did, how did it come out? I'm thinking about ordering the Neilden kit to finish and then be able to compare the two. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.